What's up, beautiful people? Welcome to another video of Adventures of House Hunting. Hi. Hi. So anyway, guys, if you're new here, hi, my name is Julie. I know you've met these two beauties. If you haven't watched that video, by the way, Ebu Kimbia, before you come here, it's an introduction to them.
Yeah.
To my little sisters. We did what?
We looked at houses. And then we looked for bedrooms, even house.
So yes, we are going to look for houses. As I said earlier, we are house hunting. So if you're new here, hi, my name is Julie, and if you haven't seen this face if you're seeing this face for the first time, hit the subscribe button and welcome to the squad of positive energy. So yeah, I'm so excited, as you can see, and happy new year, by the way. So yeah, let's just head to house hunting. This is a family house hunting, so most of the houses are for family, or if you are a group of friends and you want to like share a house, then this is for you. So let me stop talking and let us head direct to the video.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping into a life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a strive. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a ride. Savannah. Lion's gonna come. The birds have just begun. We will always take a stand for the people, for the land. Let's go back to when we were young. For the animals we stand. Let's go back to when trees were swung. Kids across the land. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a ride. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a ride. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah. When you want to get off the darkest ground, but gravity pulls you straight down. Earth from a bird's eye view. You should grow feathers and see this too. When you want to get off the darkest ground, but gravity pulls you straight down. When you want to get off the darkest ground, but gravity pulls you straight down. Clear sky. When you want to get off the darkest ground, but gravity pulls you straight down. Earth from a bird's eye view. You should grow feathers and see